Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Array constants in a formula. You can use array constants in your formulas and mix them with ranges or combine them. As a reminder, the constants would be the sequence 1 through 5. You can see in this other example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is another constant array. We can also throw around variations. We can multiply, we can add, we can do anything with these sequence constants. We have sum D9, H9, that's this information here. And then we built this sequence 1 through 5. You're saying, well, what's sequence 1 through 5? Sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the numbers. Well, all we're doing is multiplying 3, in this case, times 1, 4 times 2, 5 times 4, 6 times 5. What we're doing is we're taking the sum 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, multiplying it times 1, then multiplying it times 2, then multiplying it times 3, 4, and 5. You're saying, well, where's that number? I showed you the sequence before, and it would show 1 row and 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me just show you. Let's go equals sequence 1, 5. What if we hit equals sum and we just sum this across? We close that. We have 25. I entered the sequence function and we know it produces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The function here says sum D9, H9 times sequence 1 through 5. D9, H9 is here. And we're asking, we need to take care of the order of importance. What's the priority? Well, multiplication is number 1. Taking D9 and multiplying it times the sequence in order. 3 times 1, 4 times 2, 5 times 3, 6 times 4, 7 times 5, and then we're adding them together. This is the sequence right here. This is the range. We multiply those two together, then we add. I'm going to delete. Here we have some sequence, and then we just entered this information ourselves. Sequence 1531. What does this mean? That means sequence has multiple arguments. We'll go into sequence. We have rows, we have columns, we have a start and a step. What does this mean? That means row, we want 1 row, 5 columns, start at number 3, and we want to go up by 1 each time. And here's an example. We go sequence 1531. We start at 3. We have 1 row and we have 5 columns. And we go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's what we have up here. And then we do the same calculation as we did previously. In the legacy, we can also go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We enter the curly brackets ourselves. It will produce the exact same results as using sequence. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.